Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. Welcome again to my garden. So guys, today I will be walking around my garden and harvesting anything that needs to be harvested. Now I'm gonna start off with my peppers. Now my peppers, I'm gonna show you especially this plant right here. It's leaning, so it needs some kind of support. But as you can see, the plant is not looking as healthy as it should. So what I will be doing, I will be removing these two peppers. This is the yellow bell pepper. I'm going to be removing these two peppers that are, mature enough. And so the energy of the plant can go to those blossoms that are on there. Now look at this one right here. This plant, see, there it goes. I did not even touch it and it already fell off. So I will be removing, oh wow, and there's a hole right there in this one. So there's some kind of worm thing going on with that. So I will be taking off whatever I can. There's a big one over here in the back. So these right here, I don't think they're fully ready to be harvested. I'm gonna leave those on for like another few days so they can get fit. So let me pick this one up. Beautiful, nice sized pepper, thank you Lord. And over here we have these two right here. Beautiful, thank you Lord. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this side of the garden. We have not really showed you everything really that's going on. This side of my bed, guys, look at this. This looks like a forest. I'm in a forest because I've not had time to come back to clean this place up, to do anything. So I pretty much left this bed as is. Honestly, I left it as is. Okay, as you can see, these that I thought that they were collard greens, look at them. They're not. They are kohlrabis. Yep, they are kohlrabis. So I will be harvesting the few that are ready to be harvested, and yeah, the others I will leave for now. Okay, so we're going to be harvesting our kohlrabi. I know it can stay and get bigger, but I'm just going to take it up. Beautiful kohlrabi. Thank you, Lord, for this beautiful kohlrabi. As well as that one can stay and get a little bit bigger. And this one as well. So for right now, I'm just going to be harvesting one. Okay? Again, I'm back over at my eggplants. So I will be harvesting these eggplants that came out. And as you can still see, we have so much more blossoms that needs to go to fruits. So I will be taking off those that needs to be taken off. And so when the rain comes, it will rejuvenate the plants. So here is my mini harvest from today. Some eggplants, one kohlrabi, and I have some peppers. Okay, that's my harvest from today. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings.